Okay, today I have a 2006 Toyota RAV4 with 4 cylinders, 2.4 liter engine, automatic transmission. This vehicle is misfiring on cylinder number 3. Misfire has been detected and the car is, the engine is shaking a lot. I already took out the cover right there. That's all I have done. Okay, this one is newer than this one's over here. This is cylinder number 3. I mean, this is 4, 3, 2, 1 right there. If you stand in the front of the engine, 1, 2, 3, 4. So cylinder number 3 is misfiring, but this looks newer. This is brand new here, not too long ago, because it looks new. So I'm gonna see what's going on here. Okay, so I'm gonna see what's going on. I don't know if it should be the ignition coil pack or it should be the spark plug. It should be the problem in the connector and the PCM. It should be in the engine inside. I don't know. Okay, and now here I have a live data and my scanner here, and that's a cylinder number 3 is misfiring, as you can see. This is cylinder number 3 here. I highlighted, and that's misfiring, as you can see. You can see right there. You can see the 0, 0, 0 on cylinder 4, 2, and 1. Not on 3. See, the misfire is counting right there. What I'm gonna do is, in this case, I'm gonna switch the ignition coil packs first and see if I'm gonna see if the mis moves to the cylinder to the specific cylinder. I'm gonna switch the ignition coil pack. So I'm gonna change the ignition coil pack. I'm gonna switch them from number 3. I'm gonna put it in another one. I don't know which one at this point. I'm gonna go in the engine right now. Okay, as we all know, this is number 3. I'm gonna change it with this one here, with number 4, and see what happens. If it doesn't move, I'm gonna check the spark plug, but the spark plugs, they say, are brand new. They recently replaced them and they are Denso. Those are actually very good spark plugs. So I'm gonna exchange this one to here. I'm gonna switch this one to here, and this one is gonna go here. This one is a little bit different. It has letters, numbers here, and this one doesn't have anything. These ones are from Toyota. My favorite plier here when these connectors are hard to take out with the fingers. So the vehicle is not running at this point. It cannot be running while you're gonna do this. Oops. Tiene un poquito de aceite ahí, no mucho, pero. So it has a little bit of oil right there. So this one I'm gonna put it here. Oops. Right here. Now, because we gotta do the basic stuff first before doing something else. All right. All right. Now I lost communication here, but that's normal because I turned off the car. Okay, let's see. You can see the camera is in the front of my face. Cylinder number 4. Okay, cylinder number 4 is misfiring right now. 1 is not, and 3 is not. All right, so I have found the problem. Cylinder number 4 is the ignition coil pack. The ignition coil pack is the problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with another one. And that's they say they replaced it about 6 months ago, and it has come back again. So I'm gonna replace it. And I'm gonna see if the misfire disappears. I'm gonna see that. Okay, back here in the engine again. Here is the new one. They exchanged it for the other one that was bad, because the owner of the vehicle got it in AutoZone about 6 months ago. So and it had warranty. So now they gave him another one, but the same one. So I'm gonna install it right now. So ahora voy a instalarlo. And I'm not gonna bolt them right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the engine and put the live data again on my scanner and see if cylinder number 4 in this case is misfire. This on the new one here. Ignition switch on. RAV4. Remember, this has the code p0304. I mean a p0303 at the beginning. And I'm gonna turn on the vehicle right now. And I can feel the difference already. One, two, three, four cylinders. Not misfiring anymore. Engine is not shaking at all. Ignition coil pack was the problem. None of the cylinders are misfiring at this moment. And the engine is running very smoothly right now. Code p0303, cylinder number 3 was misfiring. And the easy way to do is just switching the ignition coil pack, so either spark plugs. You do the basic stuff first. So in some cases it's very easy to find the problem, like in this case. But if you don't find if the ignition coil pack is good and the spark plug is good, then you have to see if it's getting ground, power, signal from PCM, and either the PCM or it could be the engine. So you got to do all the stuff. But in this case, it was easy to find it. Okay. Here are the 2 bolts right there. So that is good. I'm gonna put this cover here, and I should be done with this. Okay, and if you think this video was helpful, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you all.